As you know, University Technology of Petronas is a 6-star research university, the only private research university in the country. And as a body of knowledge, we are looking at tackling the value chain of COVID-19. This involves the sciences, the health, and the economics. But as we are concerned as a universities and institution coming from a wholly owned company of Petronas, we believe in supporting Petronas in their CSR activities, their corporate social responsibility, and with that, we are looking into technology and engineering, in which this is the main focus of the university anyway. And we have the capability, we have the equipment, we have the manpower, we have a strong think tank group to come out with this. We also appreciate when we first bounced this idea with the government had decided to give us some raw materials to do this face shield project, and as such I think we are now producing it, and we are very happy to say that the Frontliners, yes, you have our support, yes, we believe in you, yes, we want to do the best for the country. What we are doing in support of the country for COVID-19, number one, we want to conform to national mandate. This involves working from home, etc., that we have been doing and implemented successfully. The other one is we want to be exemplary to the local community in support of the enforcement agency in our district. And we are also have a group of think tank who are looking into the PPE, personal protection equipment, for the frontliners, what they need. As a main focus in engineering and technology, therefore it is incumbent upon us as a national private universities to look into this, and therefore we have come up with the product. We call it the face shield for our frontliners. Well, I think you know the frontliners have been telling us, you stay at home, we stay at our job, and this is what we have to do to support the government to make sure that we can combat this COVID-19.